Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 7x power 5 minus 7x is equals to 0 and we have to find the values of x. So as there are power 5, so we have to find all the values of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I'll take 7x as common, so x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. So either 7x is equals to 0 or x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here the value of x is 0. Now x power 4 minus 1 we can write it as 1 square as well. And x power 4 as x square whole square minus 1 square is equals to 0. So here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, where a is x square and b is 1. So it becomes x square plus 1 or x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So first case is either x square plus 1 is equals to 0 or x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to -1, x is equals to square root -1. So square root -1 is iota. So plus iota or minus iota. And here x square minus 1 square, we can write it as is equals to 0. Again, I'm going to use this identity. So x plus 1 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if x plus 1 is equals to 0, the value of x is -1. And if x minus 1 is equals to 0, the value of x is +1. So all 5 values of x are: number 1, x is equals to 0. Number 2, x is equals to positive iota. Number 3, x is equals to negative iota. Number 4, x is equals to -1. And number 5, x is equals to +1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.